everyone. My name is Brian. This is my presentation on Imagej and how to use it. Just quick review what Imagej is. Um, Imagej is definitely a program of processes that we use or they use to display and note, edit, and then measure, analyze, image data. It does various things. It's very useful, not just in the medical field or, in the field that we may look at it, but also in, the editing field of microscopics, things of that nature. What makes ImageJ so popular and very unique is that it allows multiple images to be displayed at the screen at one time. And it also has various unique styles that you can add to it, processes and things of that nature. Um, One of the most things that I did and trying to understand how obviously work with figuring how to use this and all the videos that I use in tutorials is I actually got a couple images off the internet. Like this one is pollen. One of the things that I do, as you can see, it's this is actually really high definition. It's a microscopic view of it. It's pretty neat, I thought. So I wanted to use that one. So as I click out of that, so I can add it into the Fuji. I actually had to download Fuji, which is still the same as ImageStage, just a kind of easier one that works with Mac. Couldn't find a different one that would work the same. Uh, but other than that, it's pretty useful. It does all the same. So what you do is you put it on there, it slide it into, and actually what it does is that it actually gives all the information on on the image J by pixel and the X, Y's and the values, which is awesome when you really get down to it when it comes to an image. I wanted to use three different type of processes for each image. So for the pollen, as you can tell, there's various ways that you can edit this picture. So an easy way to get to that is on, at least if you have a Mac. I don't know how they might do it on Windows. It might be a little bit different, may look a little different, but still acts the same. What you want to do is you want to go to the process and you want to go, I want to sharpen the image, even though it's already pretty, HD, but sharpening it makes it, a little bit, as you can tell, it just defines it more. And if if you want to know what like sharpen means, it really just increases the contrast uh, and to insinuates, sorry, detailed into the image. Um, but it also just deletes the noise of the image. So as you could tell in this image, it really defines it. So it makes it, where you can see every detail of it, which in Photoshop you can get that, but in Image J, it's kind of like an alternative to that. Um, and it kind of does all the work for you. So if you really wanted to come down to it, you can go to every pixel and you can really see it. Um, this is at 75%, meaning that's where it's zoomed in by. Um, just want to check and see a different one. Let's see. We can also smooth it out. And when you smooth, you're basically, you know, you're activating, the blurs in the image. And this was a filter that it uses for each pixel. So as you can tell, it's not as sharp, obviously, from like the sharpened one, but um, you can definitely tell the difference, which is something really neat. Like I said, there's various ways that you can use this for. I want to see when we try it on a different one. So this one, I thought that was a neat photo. I don't remember what it really was of, but I figured I could use it because it had different properties on it. Um, Now on this, you can mess around with the color. You can merge channels, meaning the pictures, and you can make all in one. I just You just have to have them all at the same setting. So I want to mess around with the noise. So I wanted to show how you can add noise, and noise is basically just things that altered the picture, or when it was taken, it has it may have some noise, some in the medical field, it's mainly like you'll see it is on if radiology, you have images that have if there's any noise in the background, meaning, any artifacts, things of that nature. So actually in Imagej, you can add noise to it, which is pretty cool. So as you can tell right here, it created a lot of noise. So it kind of looks like as if the photo got, was vibrating. So I thought that was pretty neat how in this open source you can use. Another one that I wanted to kind of do it on is as well is on the see find edges. So when you find edges, um, I thought that was pretty neat. Find edges, you basically are using ways to highlight the sharp or intensify the image. So let's see how see as you can tell, look at that. It kind of makes it like I want to say like a 3D in a way, and kind of like if you're looking at it in different, um, kind of like in a different way. Um, those are just some of the things that you can do, but in this, I wanted to kind of show you how and how to use it in these kind of three manners. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. And till next time.